What's up guys, AA Sport here, and we've got an exciting car today.
Maybe the general recipe will be the same as the performance version in general. A little extra power, lighter weight and strengthened handling to make it more stable. So, if the Maxima version of the Nismo comes out later, does the Nissan Tiana Nismo need to be considered too? What do you think? English based on information from the National Institute of Aeronautics and Space (LAPON), the Perseid meteor shower has been active since July 17, 2021 and will continue to be active until August 24, 2021. However, LAPON Space Science Center researcher Andy Pangarang said the peak of the Perseid meteor shower phenomenon itself will occur starting tonight and tomorrow, August 12 to 13, 2021. This meteor shower can be seen from north to northwest to north from midnight local time to 20 minutes before sunrise, said Andy. That way, this meteor shower will not be disturbed by the early 4-day-old crescent moon because it sets before midnight. Perseid meteors enter Earth's atmosphere at a speed of 58 kilometers per second and are notorious for producing fireballs.
What's up guys, AA Sport here, and we've got an exciting car today.